Hello everyone, I'm Victor Fitzgerald, and I'm going to be walking you through another advanced PowerSchool tutorial here on editing the HTML for your pages for the parent portal or the student portal if you would like. This is a benefit to system administrators because you can add additional code if you need to, you can change menu links, and you can remove certain functions if you would like to. Now, I want to be cautious in telling you this and make sure that you know that you shouldn't just go willy-nilly changing things in the PowerSchool Systems Administrator portal that can lead to all kinds of problems and issues, making customizations not work and things of that nature. Now, if you do have some experience with HTML and URL coding, then you should be able to go into the System Administrator and make some decent changes to the PowerSchool interface if you would like. So the first thing that you do is actually log into your PowerSchool portal. Once you're in PowerSchool, you should have access to a link down here called the Power Systems Administrator. And what that will do is it will give you access to kind of the meta areas of PowerSchool, those kind of hard-coded values of how the website interacts with the database. And so you can go ahead and change those. One thing you're going to need to note, though, is that you have custom pages turned on, and you do that in the district setup and customizations fields. Check out another video to see how that works. There'll be another one coming into my library very soon. Once you load up System Management, it's going to walk you into this specific location. Now, once you're in System Administrator, you're going to want to make a couple of changes to custom pages. Now, the reason I'm shooting this video is because it's a little bit hard to get to the pages that you want, just because PowerSchool has them hidden under the Guardian view, which makes it a little bit more difficult to find what you're doing. Now, that being said, it's still relatively easy to get in and make sure that everything is set up the way you would want. So within the custom pages, this is actually how all of PowerSchool itself operates. So you're going to notice some things like the teachers panel, you're going to see admin panels, guardians, public, things like that that you will make changes to. Where I tend to make the majority of my changes is in the guardian view. And the reason for that is just because that's where almost everything comes through, and so you're going to want to make changes in those HTML documents if you want to make any changes to the parent or student portal. Now, that being said, when you get in, it's kind of convoluted as to where everything comes from. So the first place you're going to want to look is in the home.html. Now, this is the first thing that comes up. What you can do is, if you know HTML, is go ahead and just start editing in. We have a disclaimer at the top of ours that says that parents should reference Schoology grades for any standards grades, and then use PowerSchool simply for letter grades and term grades. And now, once you have that in, you can go ahead and set up your quick lookup preferences, and that will show a wide range of variables. One of the things that we did is, since we're a letter grade based school in PowerSchool only, we removed almost all views of the parental access to percentages and scores so that they could see how students were doing on individual assignments, but it wouldn't auto-calculate and present percentages because that was just leading to a little bit of misdirection on the part of PowerSchool. So what we did is we actually edited this document, the scores.html, and you can see that we just went ahead and commented out areas depending on what we needed to change. So for these are comments that kind of explain what's going on in the code, and this is where we actually commented out guardian scores and percentage displays. So one nice thing about the system management portal is that you actually can revert to the original with just a couple button presses. So what you actually need to do is switch over to the original, select all of it, copy it, and paste it back into the customized page and publish. And what that will do is it will revert all of your changes back to the original stock version of PowerSchool that comes with the original installer. If you have any questions about this video or why you'd want to comment out some of those functions, just shoot me a message. Either leave a comment on this video, contact me directly or join me at victorfitzgerald.com for more information. Thanks for staying tuned.